Hey traders around the world, I'm going to give you the top Forex Trading 2025 strategy that is going to beat the market. But I'm going to give you two freaking amazing pairs that is going to blow your mind. The very first pair that I'm going to give you guys is going to be Euro USD. Boom! Pay close attention the way how we're going to do it, guys. Look. I'm still gonna use the multiple time frame. So look at here. What is your 4 hours and daily time frame is telling you? It's telling us that we already in a buy trend. I'm gonna show you what is gonna happen this week, guys. All right. So one way that you can beat the market, guys, if you're having hard time, just trade with the candles. Look, where the yellow arrow comes in, market drop. When the yellow arrow comes in with the green arrow, market goes up. Same thing over, then over. Okay. So now let me show you the real time so you can see it. Look what is gonna happen on the dashboard. The dashboard is giving us the signal what is gonna happen this coming week on the market. So 4 hours and daily is showing us that we're in a buy trend. Look at what the multiple time frame is doing. Multiple time frame is showing us that we're in a buy. Look at the white multiple time frame here. It's also in a buy. Look at the green multiple time frame. It's in a buy. Look at the yellow box with the green arrow. It's also letting us know that we're in a buy. Look at what the TW Sniper entry is showing us, guys. It's showing us the Euro USD is heading for a buy trend. Our previous multiple downtrend is over. So now we are switching to a buy trend. So all we're doing this, probably what we're gonna do by Monday is market is gonna retrace back to this previous low here, and bam, market is going to give you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips on the market. The question here is, what are you gonna do? Because the market is ready to give you money. So let me give you another pair that I think you should pay attention. Guys, if I'm going too fast, you let me know. If you want me to make a video to help you in a completely different pair, type it in the comment below and I will make a small short video and explain you what that pair is gonna do, because it's very, very important for everyone to make money on this coming 2025 year. So let's trade with this Forex Trading 2025 strategy. So the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys, that is going to be gold. Boom! Look at gold, guys. Gold is so freaking sexy. Look at the dashboard. What is the dashboard heading, you guys? Just by looking at the dashboard, you already know what's going on. Look at the 4 hours is selling. The daily time frame is in a buy trend. So this is the way you should look on the market. Look at the multiple time frame. Boom. Look at the TW snap entry. Boom. Look at the original. Look at the yellow box with the green arrow. Boom. Have you ever seen any yellow box with the green arrow coming down? Look at that. Multiple time frame is only going in one direction. But on Friday, what happened on Friday, guys? Multiple time frame showed up and said, Irvin, we are going to take a break as a sell. That's exactly what is happening here on the dashboard. Look at it. The dashboard is telling us from 5 minutes all the way to 4 hours that we are selling. So that is accurate. So what we are doing is we are coming down, which is accurate. So this is what I think the market it will stop. It will stop on this previous multiple time frame. The other stop will be our multiple time frame here, which is gonna be, that's what I'm leaving it between a 38 and a 50 Fibonacci level. So but to play safe, I just gonna leave it right on it from here to your 38 point Fibonacci level, and from there, bam, market will continue on that buy trend because gold still bullish, guys. Gold still in uptrend. All we're looking here is just for a pullback, and then we are heading back. Again, remember, if you're having a hard time, look for this yellow box with the red arrow. Market comes down. Yellow box with the green arrow. Market goes up. Whenever you see this yellow box with the red arrow popping in, let's say it pops in somewhere in here, it means the trend is already selling down. That's another way you can cheat on the market, all right? So, but hopefully this video is making sense. If you are having a hard time, like I said, let me know. I'll make a video for you. It's very important for you to trade with the market, okay? So, Euro USD, like I said, is also giving you an amazing trend as in a buy trend. Get ready for this buy trend, guys. because Euro USD has been selling for a long time, so it's time to make money. Okay, thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, peace out. Bye. Boom.